Marzouk. Marzouk. So Marzouk, here is what I'm going to do, buddy. Because I have so much faith and confidence that you will be able to do it, I'm going to open up the floor to the parents here and challenge you. Are you scared? So parents, pick any object from this 100 that you see here and ask him to go backward from that object and stop at a certain object. For example, if I ask him, start at coal, which is number 75, start at coal number 75 and stop at rash, which is 46. He can do that, right? But I don't want you to feel that it's a setup and we have already decided where to start, where to end. So I give that option to you, parents, or Dr. Freda, right here. So pick an object and ask him to go backwards and stop at a certain object.
45 to 11.
You got that? 45, which is, all right, 45 is?
Rail.
Rail. To 11 is?
Dad.
Got it. So rail to dad.
Rail to dad. Okay.
Roar. Rail. Roar, ram, rain, rattle, rice, map, movie, mic, mail, match, mail, mower, mummy, mummy, moon, mat, chess, mouse, mouse, knob, knife, neck, nacho, nail, neuro, Nemo, nanny, net, nose, tub, TV, dog, dish. I forgot what started.
No, you're good.
Dish and doll, door, dam, den, dad, TC.
That's where she has to go.
Sorry.
Did he get every single one of them correct?
Yes.
Yes, all right. You know what? We're not happy with just small challenges. So we're going to do one more, all right? One more range, going backwards, all right? Anyone, parents, give an object like we did just now from rail 45 going to dad at 11. Pick an object.
Cash to latch.
Okay, cash to from 76 to latch, which is 56. All right? Go backwards from cash all the way back to latch. Cash at 76, right, Mr. Meadows? All the way back to latch.
Right. Cash, coal, car, gum, gun, cat, gas, ship, chef, chalk, judge, jail, jar, jam, Jam. Zen. Zen. Jet. Chess. Chess, lip, leaf, lock, latch.
Did he get everything?
Yes.
All right. So he's probably thinking this guy is crazy. He's going to keep making me do this, right? I won't. Marju, one more round of applause for Marju.